What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning back in. We're looking at the Nasdaq. So I'm overall bullish, as you can see. Daily price is bullish. And as we go down, you'll see why I'm bullish. Look at this right here. This order block on the 1 hour chart. The way that the candles close perfectly in that order block is a very clear bullish signal. Now, as we go down, you'll see why I'm bearish at open and then bullish after. So the first move of the day, I'm expecting to be bearish. Notice that we are in between buy side and sell side. And then we have this bearish breaker block here on the 15-minute chart, but we didn't touch sell side. So I'm expecting this to push us to that sell side before we go up, right? And then there's even some more sell side under here, which makes sense for us to grab because that's the daily low right there. So I'm marking off this trend line just in case we get a trend line break. I'm expecting a trend line break, and maybe we can catch a retest as a entry. That's what I was thinking here, because I've been combining ICC and ICT together. So I'm expecting now, in my mind, I'm expecting a bullish sweep and then us to make strides towards the downside for liquidity sweep of the sell side, and then full-blown buys afterwards. So this is the idea of the setup for us to sweep and then take off to the sell side. This is exactly what I'm expecting. That's exactly what happened. So I try to get an entry right here, and I'm trying to break even way too fast. And so now if I get in now, I'd have a bad entry and have to have a bad stop loss. So from here, I'm just going to be waiting for another chance to get in. Here's that break and retest setup we were talking about. Broke the trend line. IFG, this is actually a really great entry, but I hesitated here, so I actually don't get in here either. But you can see this is actually a good place to get in. You'll see that it actually played out too. So here's when I decided what I was going to take. So we have a 5-minute breaker and a 1-minute breaker resting just above here. We have now fully broken out of this trend line. So now sales are completely safe. So that blue line is the bottom half of the 5-minute bearish breaker. And I'm going to wait until we kind of like reach into that before I enter. We even have like a 1-minute order block too. So we'll just see. I'm just waiting to see just how far it goes into it.
Order filled.
And now we're targeting sell side and then that 15-minute order block.